Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Genspark AI. Which AI platform is actually the best for you? ChatGPT is built for conversation and creativity. It's great at explaining concepts, writing content, brainstorming, and even coding. The paid version is more accurate, faster, and way more reliable. If you want flexibility and depth, it's hard to beat. Perplexity is more like an AI-powered search engine. It gives real-time sources, quick summaries, and straight-to-the-point answers. It's perfect for research or if you need verified info fast, but it's not as conversational or customizable as ChatGPT. Genspark AI focuses on summarizing articles, generating quick ideas, and basic productivity tasks. It's lightweight and easy to use, but it doesn't go as deep or adapt as well as the other two. Think of it more like a simple tool and not a full assistant. If you want creativity and versatility, go with ChatGPT. For quick, fast, and citations, Perplexity is your friend. And Genspark, it's fine for fast, basic tasks. Thanks for watching this breakdown on How to Literally. Stay tuned for the next one.